Hello friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. Today I'm going to share a recipe how to make a dosa. So I made a dosa batter over here. For this batter, you need 3:1 ratio. So 3 cups of rice and 1 cup of urad dal. So now if you don't want to use 3 cups, so you can reduce the ratio with the amount you needed. For example, if you just want to do half of this, then half of the recipe is 1.5 cup of rice and half cup of you can take about 1/3 cup of urad dal, and you can mix them up. I would suggest mix them up, and if you can use a flour of rice and you can use a flour of urad dal, but if you really want to use the rice and urad dal, so make sure you soak it night before, and on next morning you can grind them into a powder form. And then I would say leave it for about 6 hours on a room temperature, so it will give a nice fermentation to your batter. And once it's done, so I already did the 4 hours thingy, and now it's ready to go. And I'm going to stir it in order to mix, because you will see a rice and a urad dal. They will sit at the bottom and the water will be on the top. So what we need to do in order to make, I do have a pan. So you need to take any pan, or you can take a tawa if you want to, because you need a flat surface. So it depends what you want to use. So I'm using this pan. So I turn on the stove. So I need to let it heat up, and you need to always use oil if you want. You can just sprinkle it, and after that you can clean the oil off. We don't want it on the surface though, so you can just kind of dry it with a paper towel and take it out. Be careful because it's hot. So once you feel like it's nice and hot, ready to go, so then we are going to spread the batter on tawa or the pan. And then I do have 2 fillings ready. I have for masala dosa is the potato filling, and if you want to know the recipe, it's already been shared, so you can check our website or check our YouTube channel. You will find one. We are making a masala dosa. I try to use it kind of a watery batter, but it all depends, and try to use something, because you need to pour the batter with the help of something. So I'm using this little bowl over here in order to spread the batter out. And if you want to give a nice shape, you can spread it over after. You can go over there and then you can spread it. Now the next step is, once it will be nice to lift it up, you need to try from the sides, but I would say now is the time when you can do the oiling on the edges. And then you can do some in the middle as well, because it will let the dosa lift up easily. So now after a few minutes, start lifting up from the edges in order to see if other side is cooked. You don't need to cook this side, but if you want to, you can flip it, and you can see it's nicely done on the other side. So I'm going to put filling in. So you can put more or less based on your interest or the way you like it. So I have my filling done. Now I'm going to lift up the sides and I'm going to fold over. And if you don't want any kind of filling, obviously you can use the plain dosa. So that's going to be no filling inside. And now I'm trying to lift this side, and you can press it, and then you can take the other side and we're going to press that. Now I'm going to turn off the flame, and I'm going to lift it up. So I'm lifting up with the 2 spatulas because I'm not sure. It's a kind of a delicate. So our masala dosa is ready. So it can be served with coconut chutney and with the sambar. So for the sambar recipe and the coconut chutney recipe, you can search it up on our channel and you will find one, or go to our website and see over there. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you really like it, and please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. So stay tuned for the next one is the paneer dosa. We are going to do the same way, it's only the filling will be paneer. So till then, thank you, bye bye.